Accidental wood-to-soil contact found after construction creates a high risk for termite entry and demands immediate corrective post-construction termite treatment. When correcting wood-to-soil contact, we start by assessing the extent of contact and the species and moisture conditions that favor infestations. Excavate soil away from the affected wood down to the foundation to verify whether the wood member is structurally sound and to create space for a long-term barrier. Replace the removed soil with clean, well-graded gravel or coarse stone to maintain a gap and allow drainage so water does not wick back to the wood. If the member is close to failure or was never treated for ground contact, then lift and replace it with pressure-treated lumber or use a decay-resistant species to restore structural integrity. Where lifting is impractical, install corrosion-resistant metal flashing or pour a shallow concrete collar to physically separate wood from soil and to create a durable inspection gap. As an additional layer of protection, apply a localized soil termiticide following label directions to create a chemical barrier where physical separation cannot be perfect. 3 common mistakes are failing to remove enough soil so the gravel or flashing does not maintain a durable separation, relying only on chemical treatment without addressing the physical contact, and replacing members with untreated wood that will soon return to risk. If you do not excavate deep enough moisture and termites can still bridge the gap, so remove soil until you can see solid foundation or create at least a 2-inch durable separation with stone and flashing. Chemicals alone will degrade or be bypassed over time, so use a physical barrier such as treated wood, metal flashing, or concrete to provide lasting protection. Replacing compromised members must be done with pressure-treated lumber or naturally durable species, and fasteners rated for exterior use to avoid repeating the problem. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around these types of repair projects, and our discussion community is a place to ask practical questions and read real-world experiences. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and engaging with our active user community.